What's up guys? In this video I'm going to talk to you about Fleet Karma, which pays you for charging your car at Superchargers. So let's start. Here's how much I made with Fleet Karma over a month and a half. So here it is. So they paid me $187 and that's with the sign up bonus. So the sign up bonus is $150 for just signing up and plug it in the OBS thing that they send you. Once you plug it in and go to the first charger and actually charge, then it will take a month for them to send you the money. And the rest is $37. So that's what I got for a month charging. So basically in January, I got $37 for charging and I have free charging. So I don't even pay for charging. Plus I earn money while I do that. So let me explain this. So you go to their website. I'm going to leave it linked down below. And once you sign up, they send you a package which will include this OBS thing, like a scanner type that you have to connect to your car. And once you connect that to your car, it sends the data through that thing, which collects the data and sends it to the company. So they basically collect the data of your car charging and they can study it, whatnot. I don't know what it's for. Maybe they're trying to steal the Supercharger information and open their own for whatever, like Mustang EV or something. But I'm gonna log in over here and show you the application of, I mean, it's not an application, they don't have an application, they only have it on the app. So as you can see right here, let me show you, Smart Charge Rewards is what it's called, as well as the Fleet Karma. So you see in January I earned 7,000 points, which ended up being $37. And then in February I already have 1,900. So I guess, and I wasn't like really charging as much in February, so I can probably average from 5 to 10,000 a month, and I can only assume that it would be like $15 to $40 maybe every month, which is not bad. Let's say I got $37, and I don't know why, because 7,000 points. Turning 7,000 points into $37 makes no sense. Unless 7,000 points means it's only $7, then where did I get the other $30 from? So I'm not sure exactly how I got the extra $37. I can only imagine it was for the first month, but I could be wrong. So let's say approximately it's like $20 a month times 12. That's $240 just for you to be charging and doing nothing. I mean, you go into a charger either way, and you basically make $240 every year, and that's like free membership in the gym just because you have a car, just because you have a Tesla. All you have to do is sign up and plug in the stuff they sent you. It's so easy, and you get free membership to the gym. Or for $240 you can save it, you can invest it, whatever. It's just extra money that you can have. Or you can cover like some of the charging expenses that you have. So let me show you where you have to install it and how you're gonna do that. So once you get the package sent to you, you're gonna have this L-shaped tool that you're gonna use, as well as the two different things that you gotta connect to each other, which is gonna be the OBS and another like kind of a splitter that has to connect to the car and to the OBD. So to send the information through it, and it's located over here at the bottom. Let me show you. At the back of the car, here are the vents, and then at the bottom over here, there's the panel over here. This panel. So you basically gotta move the seats, the front seats, all the way to the front, and then take this L-shaped tool, and you put it on under this panel on the floor. Then you twist it to make sure that the L, like you put the tool like that, then you turn it, and then you pull the tool to get the panel off. And once you get the panel off, you're gonna see there's gonna be like two connectors plugged into each other. You disconnect it. Once you do that, the computer is gonna freak out a little bit, but that's because it needs the connection. So you take the OBS, you plug it into the splitter, and then the splitter goes to those two connectors that are in the car, and then the connection goes back to normal and the car works fine. No problem there. And that's it. Then you close the panel. Over here is where the OBS thing is. As you can see right here, it's sticking out, and it has like all the information and all the money that I'm earning is in that little box. So yeah, it's very easy. It's nice to have. I mean, I already made $180 for nothing. So basically I make like $250, let's say, a year, and then $150 sign-up bonus. So the first year I get $400 for free. So in that $400 I can tint the car, I can just buy something for the car, buy a gym membership, invest the money, save it for later. I don't know, I can do anything. So it's just extra money that you don't really do anything for. So why not? Just do it, guys. Trust me. I don't think they have any referral codes, so I don't gain anything from this. I'm just telling you that you guys should do this because it's just free money. Why not? I'm doing it because it's literally free. I get extra money for nothing, and instead of like spending it, I'm probably gonna save it for later, just in case. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you to like the video, comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe if you liked the video or it helped you out, and I'll see you later. Take care.